Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to fix high ping in Valorant. First of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your Riot Games client and then log into your Valorant account. After that, I will need you to launch the game. Now as you can see, this is the game of me, so I will just click on play and then this is like the play button. So after that, this is like the options of gameplays that you can have in Valorant. So you can choose whatever you'd like beside custom game because you don't have the method that I will show you in the custom game. So now what you'll have to do is go to your card, which is over here for myself. TT Loli, here's my name, I'm ready, hotshot, etc. My rank, and here you will find this icon, which is your internet. So guys, make sure that you have here the highest or the best or the lowest, I mean, ping possible. So pick these two or for whatever green servers that you have. For myself, I have Frankfurt and Paris, so I only pick Frankfurt and Paris. And they keep changing every moment. So make sure, for example, if Paris was high, make sure to uncheck it and choose another server and so go on. And yeah, guys, I highly suggest that you like select three servers at least, because if you went to Paris, for example, alone and you started, for example, a competitive mode and you started the game, it will take forever for you to find the game and to queue in a game. So I highly suggest you try these three servers. For example, Paris for me and London, which is London is yellow, but still 73 is not bad, guys. So now if this still got you a high ping, what I highly suggest you guys to do is download a software which called Exit Lag. So if I went over here, which is Exit Lag, here we go. This is the homepage of it, exitlag.com. Basically, this software will help you get rid of your lag. It's not only used in Valorant, it's used in every single game, guys. So it's used, for example, to fix your aim in Valorant, not your aim, ping in Valorant, Fortnite, Dota, League of Legends, CSGO. Every single game that you have in mind, this will fix the ping in it. So how you can basically use it, you just have to download it. It is pretty much simple, and just drag the game inside of it. And basically, of course, guys, it's payable, so you have to pay for this software, unless you wanted to try it for a free trial, which they give you like 3 days free trial. So you can use it for 3 days, and then see if this software is worth buying or not. And these are like the prices. So you have 6.5 per month if you want to only 1 month. If you want for 12 months, you will have about 4.93, and 6 months 5.83. So it is pretty much cheap, and the work that it does, it's pretty much so good. So yeah guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you a lot for watching, and see ya in the next tutorial.